Hello, and welcome to our video on PVC skirting. If you're a homeowner or a business owner, you know how important it is to protect your floors and walls from damage. PVC skirting is an excellent solution for this purpose. In this video, we'll take a closer look at PVC skirting, including its features and benefits. PVC skirting is a versatile and practical solution for protecting your floors and walls. Made from polyvinyl chloride, PVC skirting is highly durable and resistant to wear and tear. It can withstand heavy foot traffic, making it ideal for high-traffic areas such as commercial spaces, schools, and hospitals. One of the key advantages of PVC skirting is its ease of installation. It can be quickly and easily fitted to any wall or floor, without the need for special tools or expertise. This makes PVC skirting an ideal option for DIY enthusiasts who want to save time and money. PVC skirting is also highly resistant to moisture and humidity. This makes it an ideal choice for areas such as kitchens, bathrooms, and other areas where moisture levels are high. In addition to its practical benefits, PVC skirting is also highly aesthetically pleasing. It comes in a wide range of colors and finishes, allowing you to choose a skirting that complements your existing decor. Whether you prefer a sleek and modern look or a more traditional style, there is a PVC skirting that will suit your needs. We hope you found it informative and helpful.